Save time creating frustrating templates and eliminate costly mistakes in your t-shirt business. Growing a screen print business is tough. To help you get ahead of the game, I'm going to show you 6 forms and templates you need to operate your screen print business successfully. But first, what is the real cost of not having these essential templates to operate your screen print business? Well, have you had to reprint or refund an order because of a mistake? Do you constantly have to go over pricing with your clients? Perhaps you don't have a clue where to start when it comes to creating a price sheet, an art approval form. It's taking you too long to register up those multicolored jobs consistently. Well, that's the position that I was in when I started my screen print business. I made a lot of mistakes. My clients weren't completely clear as to what my prices were, even after having a meeting and spelling it out for them. Whether that's about sizing, art placement, ink colors used. Once I knew what the problem was, I was faced with, what should these forms look like? What information should I include? It wasn't until I was actually in business, testing out these forms, working with client after client, print shop after print shop, and after years of developing and revising these templates, I finally had a proven system in place. I want screen print shops to experience the same success that we're having, and that's why I decided to put together the Screen Print Business Starter Pack. It comes with our art approval template, which you can customize to fit to your branding, easily mock up your client's art for approval. It includes realistic t-shirts that you can quickly and easily change the color of the shirt with the click of a button. There are fields to enter the order details, and it has a pre-pressed checklist just to make sure you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's before you run off the job. I also include our price sheet in which you can easily revise your pricing and the branding to fit your shop's needs. It spells out added fees, upcharges, and is letter size so that way you can print it on any printer. You'll also get our registration template so that way you can quickly register those multicolor jobs in minutes instead of hours. As an added bonus, I'm including our standard operating procedure mesh count cheat sheet so that way you can rebrand it, print it out, and hang it on your shop so that way you'll have an SOP to go by to make sure your screens are consistent. To top it all off, I'm giving you our work order form. This form comes in handy for day-to-day operations, taking orders on the fly, whether that's on the phone or for walk-ins. All this is paired with easy to follow, step-by-step instructional videos showing you how to edit and use the templates. Here are some reviews of the growing list of screen print business owners that have taken advantage of our templates. The total market value is $258. But don't freak out. I want to help out as many screen printers as I possibly can, and in doing so, I knew I had to discount the Screen Print Starter Pack even further. Your price is below. But wait a second, I thought you said there were 6 templates and you only showed 5. To sweeten the deal, I'm going to toss in my koozie registration template. You can use this template to create your own 6-up koozie palette and use it to register up your single and multicolored koozie jobs. Here comes the good and the bad news. Nothing lasts forever. Get your copy now before it is no longer available to the general public. The Screen Print Business Starter Pack comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If these print templates don't save you time, I'll refund your money. If these aren't the most well put together templates, I'll refund your money. If you don't like my southern accent, I'll refund your money. If you're not happy, I'm not happy. Take action now, hit the button below, go over to the next page, fill out your information. Don't worry, it's safe and secure and encrypted. And save yourself the time and headache creating these forms. You could go back to trying to figure out how to create these forms on your own, which could take months or even years to get down, risking reprints and even losing clients. Or you can invest in your business and start putting these forms to use now. You're just one click away from practically being given these forms. Click the button below and I'll see you inside the training.